Imagine making money while you sleep, no boss, no office, just passive income rolling in, even if you're the laziest person on the planet. Sounds impossible? Think again. Today, you're going to learn exactly how people are making thousands online doing almost nothing daily, and how you can too. Let's be real, most people hate their jobs. But what if there was a way to stop trading time for money and build a system that pays you over and over, even when you're chilling on the couch? That's the power of passive income. You work once, and the money keeps flowing. In this video, I'll walk you through proven passive income strategies that require low effort, low startup, and can be scaled to thousands per month. What is passive income? Passive income means you get paid without constant effort. You build or set up something once and it keeps earning. Think rental properties, YouTube channels, affiliate links, ebooks, income streams that don't need you 24/7. And no, this isn't magic. It's smart strategy. Step 1. Choose your style. Start by asking, what kind of passive income fits your personality? Do you like creating? Are you better at selling? Do you want to show your face or stay anonymous? Once you know your lane, picking the method becomes 10x easier. Method 1. Affiliate marketing. You don't need to create a product. Just promote other people's stuff and earn a commission when someone buys through your unique link. How to start. 1. Pick a niche. Fitness, tech, finance, gaming, anything people spend money on. 2. Join affiliate programs like Amazon, ClickBank, Impact, or ShareASale. 3. Create content, TikTok videos, YouTube reviews, blog posts. 4. Add your affiliate link and boom, every sale pays you. Lazy bonus. Tip. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to write product reviews or video scripts automatically. Method 2. YouTube automation. YouTube is the king of passive income. One video can make you money for years through ads, sponsors, and affiliate links. Lazy version. Start a Faceless channel using AI tools. Use ChatGPT for scripts. Use Pictory or InVideo for visuals. Use 11 Labs for voiceovers. Upload daily shorts or weekly long-form videos. Once your channel hits 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube pays you directly every month. Method 3. Sell digital products. Create it once, sell it forever. You can sell ebooks, Notion templates, Canva graphics, online checklists, journals, mini courses. Platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or Etsy do the hard work. You just collect the cash. Lazy angle. Use AI to create your product, like an AI-generated ebook, then use Pinterest or TikTok to promote it passively. So method 4, print on demand. Design t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, or posters without touching inventory. Sites like Printful, Teespring, or Redbubble handle printing, shipping, and returns. You upload the design, they do the rest. Example, upload a viral meme shirt, share on TikTok, get sales while you sleep. Lazy hack. Use Canva and AI art tools to generate dozens of designs in minutes. Method 5, dividend investing. Buy stocks from companies that pay you regularly. It's the most do-nothing passive income stream. How it works. You buy shares of companies like Coca-Cola or Apple. Every quarter, they pay you a piece of their profits, called dividends. Platforms. Robinhood, M1 Finance, Vanguard. Lazy tip, set it and forget it. Reinvest your dividends automatically and watch your money grow. Why most people fail. Most people try to do everything manually. They post inconsistently, overthink, and burn out. But the rich, they use systems, they delegate, they automate. You're not supposed to do everything yourself. You just need to build a machine that does it for you. So let's build yours. Scaling affiliate marketing. Want to 10x affiliate income? Then stop dropping random links. Start building an automated channel. Here's how. 1. Use ChatGPT to write a free lead magnet, like a top 10 AI tools PDF. 2. Use System.io or ConvertKit to create a landing page. 3. When someone signs up, they get the freebie and get added to your email list. 4. Set up an email sequence that sends them affiliate offers every few days on autopilot. Boom. You've just created a money machine that runs 24/7.
Salt automated YouTube funnels. Once your YouTube channel starts gaining views, don't just rely on ads.
Funnel that traffic into your email list or product sales. Add these to your video description. A link to your free ebook or cheat sheet. An affiliate product that solves their problem. A link to your course, coaching, or print-on-demand store. Example script, CTA. Grab my free Notion AI toolkit below. It's helped over 1,000 people save hours weekly. Systemize your content creation. Content is king, but making it daily is exhausting, so automate it. Here's how to create 30 days of content in one weekend. 1. Use ChatGPT to generate 30 YouTube short scripts or TikTok hooks. 2. Record all voiceovers in one sitting with 11 labs. 3. Use Pictory or CapCut to turn them into videos. 4. Schedule posts using Metricool, Buffer, or Later. Result: you look active every day while chilling. Hire a team without paying monthly. Here's the secret: you don't need full-time staff. You need task-based freelancers. A GoToMile, Fiverr, one-time jobs, Upwork, hourly, online jobs. PH, part-time VAs. Hire for video editing, thumbnail design, SEO optimization, blog formatting. Lazy hack. Use ChatGPT to write job descriptions and manage your freelancers. Use AI to build your website. Want a website but hate tech stuff? Use AI tools like Durable. Coach to build a full website in under 30 seconds. 1. Type your niche. 2. AI creates a homepage about section, pricing, contact, even images. 3. Plug in your affiliate links. Done. Alternative. Use WordPress with Elementor AI or Framer AI, automated client system for services. Offering a service like copywriting, video editing, or consulting, you don't need to chase clients. Build a passive client funnel. 1. Create a free lead magnet, EEG, 10 viral hooks that always work. 2. Set up a Calendly or TidyCal booking link. 3. Add auto replies, onboarding forms, and payment options. Or turn one piece of content into 10. This is called content repurposing. One YouTube video can become 1. 3 YouTube shorts. 2. 5 TikTok clips. 3. 10 Twitter posts. 4. 1 blog post, use ChatGPT. 5. 1 email newsletter. 6. 5 Pinterest pins. 7. 1 Reddit thread. 8. 1 Quora answer. 9. 1 Instagram reel. 10. 1 LinkedIn carousel. This makes your content immortal. More eyeballs, or more income. A passive digital real estate. What if I told you that? Websites are digital real estate. And you can build or buy one that pays you monthly, passively.
Ways to earn. AdSense, Google Ads on site. Sponsored posts, affiliate links, digital product sales, memberships. Where to buy starter websites. Flippa, Motion Invest, Empire Flippers.
Or just build one using AI plus templates and let it grow. The ultimate system stack, lazy bundle. I combine all tools into one automated empire. ChatGPT. For content, charge scripts. Pictory, InVideo. For videos, 11 Labs. For voice, CapCut. For editing, Canva. For thumbnails, designs. Systeme, IO for email funnels. Durable. Code for websites, Zapier for automation. Fiverr for hiring. Metricool for scheduling. Notion to track it all. Stand it, forget it, AI sales funnel example. Let's build a full lazy funnel. 1. AI builds a landing page with Durable. 2. Free Notion template offered, created with ChatGPT. 3. Email sequence auto sends via Systeme.io. 4. Affiliate links are promoted in every email. 5. Buyer clicks, purchases, you get paid, you never touch anything again, and it runs forever. The 100-0 rule. You don't need to work 100 hours. You need a system that works 100 hours for you. That's the mindset shift. Replace your effort with automation. Replace your time with systems. That's how lazy people get rich. A realistic timeline, lazy version. Week 1. Pick one method, watch tutorials, start setup.
BR Week 2, build your first product video site.
BR Week 3, post daily for 7 days straight. BR Week 4, begin automation, schedule content, set email funnels, hire help. BR Month 2 Plus, track income, tweak what works, expand to another method. For examples of lazy success stories. A 17-year-old made Ortsy. 10K selling a Notion template made with AI. BR. A Faceless YouTube channel earns 3K month posting top 10 videos. BR. A woman built a print-on-demand store in one weekend that now earns $500 a month. None of them worked more than a few hours a week. The secret? Focus plus systems. Your next 30 days. Action plan. Or stack another method once income is stable. Closing statement. Being lazy doesn't mean doing nothing. It means doing smart work once that pays you forever. Whether it's a blog, channel, ebook, or AI funnel, one good system can change your life. So ask yourself, what are you building this week that your future self will thank you for? Don't wait. Start now. Your lazy life starts today. Call to action. Final. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe. Comment lazy money if you're committed to building a passive income stream this month. And if you want a full tutorial on building your first funnel with AI, let me know below. See you in the next video.